Hey, what up guys? Welcome to my channel, and this is Daniel Torres doing a review on the 2020 11-inch iPad Pro. So I decided to pick up the 128 gigabytes since I didn't find myself needing more than 128. But if you need more, you can pick up the 256 gigabytes or the 512 gigabytes. Also, I believe they have the 1 terabyte if you want to go up that high. I also picked up an Apple Pencil that I bought for $129. And I got the Smart Folio for 79 bucks. So one of the reasons I ended up picking an iPad Pro is for the convenience and portability. I do have a MacBook Pro, but I only use my MacBook Pro when I'm doing heavy video editing or even Photoshop. So I figured, why not pick up an iPad Pro and do light work from here. I do have Lightroom, Photoshop, and Premiere Pro. So I picked up the iPad Pro for the convenience and portability. I do have a MacBook Pro, but the MacBook Pro, I use it mainly for heavy work and heavy editing. So with the iPad, I can do all the light work if I'm gonna upload to social media. So that's the convenience of it. Also, I can take it anywhere. I can go up to my balcony. I can go over to the park and just do it from the park. It's just having the convenience from it. Instead of having to use a MacBook Pro, since it's a little heavier and it creates a little more bulk, especially if you're gonna do light work. So the way I use my iPad is like this. Check it out. I have Premiere Pro, Lightroom, and Photoshop. So I only use those apps if I'm gonna do super light work, especially if I'm gonna upload to social media like Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok. Then I also use it for work to send out emails, doing FaceTime calls, or even doing the Zoom calls. So those are one of the main reasons. If you like convenience and portability, you could use it for all those stuff. So would I recommend this iPad Pro? Yes. If you're someone who likes convenience and portability or likes to have the latest gadget, sure, why not pick one up? Alright guys, so if you're in the market for one, just go for it, pick it up, enjoy it, play with it, and trust me, you won't regret it. Anyways guys, if you guys enjoyed this review, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next review. Alright guys, see ya.